close till I get up. Time is barely on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ritika here, and today I've created this bronzy goldy look. It's a very simple look. I have like 3 videos coming up this Diwali, and ये मांग टीका लाइक लिटरली झूल रहा है. A grand salute to my हेयर पिन्स की. वो लोग लिटरली पता नहीं कैसे होल्ड ऑन करी हुई इस पर. बट हाँ, तो लाइक 3 वीडियो और आ रहे हैं. लाइक 3 वीडियोज़ आर कमिंग अप. वन इज़ ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड विच इज़ अ फुल ऑन ग्लैम लुक. दिस इज़ द मीडियम वन, and one is very simple and very wearable if you want to go that glam or that heavy on Diwali. So that video is for you. This one is for the girls who just want to smoke it out and just want a medium look. Basically, the videos are coming in the sequence of descending order. The glam one is on. This is the medium glam one, and the last one is more of a natural glam, not glam kind of a look. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. And before you move on to the video, please subscribe, like, share, and you know the drill. So yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the moisturizer, and for the moisturizer I'm using this one. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer, and I'm gonna mix this illuminator from NYX Born to Glow. It's the NYX Born to Glow illuminator in the shade Sunbeam, and I'm gonna mix them together for a glowy base. Okay, now for the primer, I'm using this primer. It's the NELF Perfecting Primer, and it's a waterproof primer, so it is going to keep you sweat proof. Not waterproof but sweat proof. So apply this primer anywhere you tend to get oily or your skin produces sweat from that particular region. Foundation, I'm using these 2 foundation. Both of them are from Fit Me. One is in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and one is in the shade 120 Classic Ivy. So I'm gonna mix them together and make my own shade. Now to blend my foundation, I'm using this beauty blender. It's from Blue Heaven. I'm gonna talk through this video that much because I'm already late and I have to quickly finish this video. So for the concealers, I'm using these 2 concealer. Both of them are from Fit Me, and one is in the shade medium and one is in the shade light. First, I'm gonna use the shade medium to hide my dark circles, and then I'm gonna use the shade light to highlight them. Concealer brush is from Zoeva.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now to set my face, I'm using this compact. It's from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Compact in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and the brush is from Amazon. It's a nameless brush, and this is how it looks. It is a flat top brush. Now to set my concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light and the same beauty blender. Let's quickly do our eyebrows first, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal brow pencil. I'm gonna leave the link and the shade name below on the in the DB. First I'm gonna use it spoolie, and I'm gonna comb my brow hair. Then I'm gonna use the pencil.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
guys, I'm going to use this palette. It's the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and this is how it looks. I'm using this palette for the second time. I have one video also on the Diwali look. It's the full-on glam look. I'm using this palette because it is affordable and anyone can recreate this look because it is kind of a medium look. I am going up with 3 videos. One is the full-on glam, which is already on my channel. This one is kind of a medium look, not that much glam, and very simple and easy to recreate. And the third one is the basic look, not too glam, not too chamkila dhamkila, but not that intense. So this is the second one, and this is, let's move on to the eyes. Palette is already dead, and I'm gonna use this shade, the orange one, first. I don't know what this, these shadows don't have a name, so I'm gonna use this brush. It's the Wet n Wild P15 brush, and this orange shade all over my lid. Okay, so I'm now gonna take this shade up on my crease, just on my lid, and I'm not dragging the shade, I'm just pressing the color on my lid. I'm gonna blend the edge of the shadow with this brush. It's the PAC 210 brush, and I'm just gonna blend the edge. Okay, now I'm taking this brown shade on my same Wet n Wild P15 brush, but on the other side of the brush, the little bit clean side of the brush, and I'm just gonna press this shade above that shade, above that brown orange shade.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever
I'm
try.
gonna take this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade 03, and I'm gonna press it in the middle, on the middle of my eyelid. And this is the brush from Zoeva. I'm gonna use this brush. It's the smudger brush, and this is how it looks.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now for the lower lash lines, taking the same palette, taking the orange shade first on my Wet n Wild P10 brush, and this is a dome brush. I'm gonna take this brown shade again, and on my same brush, Wet n Wild P15 brush, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line.
Finding life along the way, melodies.
Now I'm taking this eye pencil from PAC. It's in the shade Skin, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
The same liquid eyeshadow on my Zoeva spot liner brush, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with it.
We'll go.
I'm gonna do my other eye off the camera, and I'll be right back. Back to the eyes, I'm using this eyelash curler from Shein, and I'm gonna use this mascara from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Push Up Drama Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara.
Through the highways, and on we'll
Quickly move on to a face, and for the face I'm using this blush palette. It's from Elegirl. It's in the shade Glow, and for the brush, first I'm gonna bronze my face, and for the brush I'm using this one. It's the Nykaa contour brush.
see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
For the blush I'm using, of course, this palette and these two blushes on my Nameless brush from Amazon. For the highlight, I'm using this highlighter from Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome highlight, and I'm using this brush. It's the Wet n Wild P77 brush, and it's a highlighter brush, and it's in the shade Molten Gold, the highlighter.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now our last and final step, which is the lipstick. So I'm using this lipstick. It's the Maybelline 657 Nude Nuance. It's their creamy matte range, and this is how the lipstick looks.
And on we'll go.
So our makeup is done. Now I'm gonna set the makeup with this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixing Spray.
We'll go.
I'm gonna put some jewels on and do something with my hair again. It's such a burden, and I'll be right back. This brings us to the end of the video, and this is the final look, and it's a very simple bronzy goldy look because I'm wearing gold, as you can see, and I cannot find this chunni, the chunni of the suit. So my old jhumkas, my old mang tika, and a very beautiful bronzy glam look, and it's very simple to recreate if you want to recreate. Before you leave, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and I hope you guys to see you next time. Bye.